Hello, my name is Mike Barnes, and I'm the Vice President of Manufacturing Operations at OptiFuel Systems. We have received some questions from prospective investors, and I'm going to attempt to answer one of them today. Question is, what would happen if, due to something similar to COVID, vendors and suppliers and the capability to manufacture locomotives is disrupted for 2 to 4 years and orders cannot be fulfilled? This is an excellent question that many manufacturers wish they had considered prior to COVID. It is the subject of significant focus at OptiFuel Systems. While a disruption lasting 2 to 4 years would undoubtedly be challenging for any company, our core operational safeguards are designed to significantly mitigate risks from events like COVID, supply chain shortages, natural disasters, supplier capacity issues, regulatory changes, and even tariffs and sanctions. Our redundant, diversified supply chain, flexible modular design, and geographically distributed manufacturing network provide us with resilience to continue operations and even capitalize on new market opportunities during extended periods of market uncertainty. Here's how we've built some of these protections into our operations. Nearly all, over 95% of our components are sourced domestically, virtually eliminating risks associated with tariffs, international sanctions, or long shipment delays from overseas. Our engineering and strategic sourcing teams have built redundancy into our supply chain by qualifying multiple suppliers for each critical component. For example, rather than relying on a single engine supplier, we have established relationships with several, allowing us to offer faster delivery timelines and continuously integrate the best technology in each new locomotive model. For custom fabricated machined components, our objective is to have a minimum of 4 qualified suppliers for each unique part number. Our modular design isn't just about innovation, it's also about flexibility. Whether regulatory changes push railroads towards zero emissions or they opt to stick with diesel, our product suite spans diesel, natural gas, hydrogen, battery electric, hybrid, and dual fuel systems, giving us a unique edge in adapting to market needs. From a manufacturing perspective, we benefit from a multi-location outsourced production model. Different facilities across the U.S. will build distinct modules with assembly facilities strategically located in the central U.S. and on both coasts. This approach not only accelerates production, as evidenced by our 1-hour, 45-minute on-site module integration demonstration at Sierra Northern Railway in 2024, but also protects our intellectual property by ensuring that no single supplier has access to all of our intellectual property or performs the entire production process.